tweet it, earn it. Social challenges in the Sandbox game reward you with EP just for posting about the Sandbox on Twitter. Your online voice now fuels your rise up the leaderboard. So here we are on the Sandbox homepage. Now, as you can see, it's a very visually appealing website. Personally, I think it's very straightforward, but we're going to be talking about the EP. So let me show you how social action EP tracking works. So first, I'm going to head over to the dashboard and I'm going to access the Open EP section. This is where you can see every social action that counts towards your total. Now, all you need to do is follow the Sandbox on Twitter. Once you've done that, all you have to do is refresh the page and there it will be. Your EP will have just increased. It's really simple and it's not just about following. Even small actions like joining the Discord server or posting a tweet through the social challenges will earn you points. Everything adds up and it all helps you climb faster. Now, in addition, there are sand earnings too, so you can complete battle pass levels or open partner sand chests. All of this gives you extra sand, but it's the EP we're interested in. So heading over to the EP dashboard, you can get a bit more insight into what's happening, right? And what you can earn. So let's talk about the social engagement mechanics. In this system, every social action counts: follows, likes, posts, and getting involved in the community. Each one adds to your total EP, and that can even boost your position on the leaderboard. So yeah, your online activity actually matters here. So here, looking at their Twitter, right, you can see that it is. Obviously, they're posting fairly often, and clearly there's a bit more happening. Now, earning EP from social quests, right? These Twitter challenges aren't just for fun. They're set up as official quests, so every verified post you make gives you EP, and that stacks on top of the rewards you're already getting from gameplay. Basically, social quests link what you do in-game with what you do in the real world, so every tweet you send out becomes part of the competition. And then finally, strategy for maximizing your EP, right? If you want to level up faster, combine your social actions with your gameplay quests. Don't skip the daily social quests either. They're easy EP, and obviously they add up quickly. So if you mix both together, you'll progress much faster than players who focus only on one side. And of course, climbing that leaderboard gets you better rewards. Now, there are a couple more additional points I'd like to address. Social quests rotate weekly, so stay active for new EP opportunities. Top social contributors might get featured or rewarded with exclusive NFTs. Community events often include bonus EP for participation, so if you're already scrolling through Twitter, why not earn while you're at it? Follow, engage, and watch your EP go up. The Sandbox rewards every move you make, both on and off the platform,